Okay, I am at the airport. I'm going to gate. I will go. I think I'm gonna go in gate B. Okay. We are leaving in 15 seconds. Attention, airport passengers. We are leaving in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please get in your gates now. We are now boarding. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Hear that? We are now boarding into the airplane. Oh boy, it's gonna be such a good airplane. Whoa, purple airplane. Now that's amazing. Let's see where my um we are in B. B. And I'm in F. E. So that means F is in this side of the room. Sorry. 15, C, D, E, and the F. This is my seat. The very back, too. But at least we can watch some fun movies. You know what? I think I'm going to take a nice sleep. Attention passenger, please take your seat before we take off now. Thank you and have a nice day. Did you hear that? We're leaving. Woo, this is going to be such a fun trip. Oh boy, I get scared when I look out the window. Hello, passengers. Are we now cruising altitude? Feel free to get out of your seat and explore the plane. Did you hear that? Feel free to get out of your seat and explore the plane. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, wow. Curtains. Uh-oh, what just happened? What is happening? Ladies and gentlemen, it seems that we are having an expensive power outage. Please do remain calm while we try to fix the situation. Oh boy, this is creepy. OMG, what is down the right edge of it? Day 2. I don't know what that is. I'm scared. OMG, we're all going to die. If you believe in yourself, we won't die. Oh my gosh, it's coming. Ah! 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 You guys, I'm so scared right now. Can I get out? No, I can't get out. The best thing to do is remain calm. Everybody, it's okay. It's not okay anymore. He's coming for us. Ah! Ah! What is going on? Ah! My health is still 100. On soon. On. Ah. Why don't you run for your life, mister? Thank you very much. What is going on? The lights have came on. It's a miracle. Thank goodness. That was creepy. Perfect, we have solved this issue. We are very sorry about that. You better be. I almost died. We are now going to be serving some pizza. Yum. Hey, there was a monster attacking us. What? Oh, don't be silly. She seems super suspicious. This flight has been so crazy, but now we are going to board soon. Thank you for this flight. Goodbye.